To turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone 16, first you have to start by opening the settings. Now you have to start scrolling and you have to go for focus mode. And here you have to tap on it. And right here you can actually set it up. So we can allow notifications from specific people and apps by clicking here. So currently there's like allow notifications from, and here we can add people, allow calls. You can also turn on or off repeated calls, and you can always actually silence notifications from specific content. So you can actually switch this and set up to your own preferences. And it looks the same for all apps. In the options, we can find other stuff, like for example, notifications. We can still show them on the lock screen. And we can also dim the lock screen when the focus on is out. And we can also customize screens, the lock screen, the home screen, and we can set it as a schedule. So you can turn it on from, to, and pick any day that you want. You can also add multiple schedules if you want. So for example, in specific location, when you arrive at work, for example, there's like actually a lot of options that you can customize. That's really useful stuff. And right here we got also the focus filters that you can also set up. And yeah, that's how it actually looks. Now when you are going to open, this control center, you can quickly turn on the Do Not Disturb mode by clicking here, this focus mode, sleep mode. So yeah, that's how it looks, and thanks for watching.